Good morning, children. Welcome to e-learning classes on behalf of Modern English School at the time of lockdown. Children, we shall study the poem The Kite. This is our second poem. We have completed the first poem and now we shall study the second poem. The Kite is the poem which is taken from our book Honeysuckle, and the poet of this poem is Harry Van. Now, Harry Van was an American poet. Where was he born? He was born on 24 September 1898 in United States, and he died on 6th September 1973. Now, children, have you seen kites? Do you enjoy flying kites? Yes, na? Kites are of different colors. In this poem, there is an explanation of the kite. So, a kite, when it is new, it looks very bright and beautiful in the clear blue sky. It moves like the waves, and its tall tail makes a cracking sound when it deviates downwards. It doesn't fly smoothly, isn't it? Have you seen flying kites? So, just as the ship moves into the sea using a single sail, the kite rises up into the sky using a single string. When the wind is strong, it pulls more string from the roll to raise even higher. You can fly kites very easily when the wind blows, but when the wind doesn't blow, then you cannot fly kites. You do not enjoy flying kites, isn't it, children? Now the kite flies over the hilltops, but when the wind blows slowly, it seems still in the sky. Its string loosen up. We have to pull them. We have to roll our strings, isn't it, children? Because the kite doesn't fly high when the wind blows slowly. But when the wind blows faster, the kite rises high in the sky. When the strong wind blows again, the kite again soars high in the sky, and it looks bright in the clear blue sky. But when it is not flying high, it gets bored. You cannot fly kites. The poet concludes the poem by saying that we never give a second look on importance to a kite that gets torn by the branches of the tree. While flying kites, you sometimes fly high and your string gets cut off, and it is hung in some branches. So at that time you get bored. That's all, children. In this poem, there is only the explanation of the kite. You all might enjoy reading this poem, and you'll remember all the activities while you fly kite. That's all, children. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe. Your homework is write this poem in fair and remember 3 stanzas of this.